everyone. So as you can see right here on the screen, you can actually get a $50 deposit account just like this. Now you can see mine right here, the deposit is showing $50 and the profit I've made is still showing $75. And you can actually get this. I'll be showing you 5 easy steps on how to go about it. So if you just seen this video for the first time, I'm Danielite and thanks for watching the video. So the fact that you're actually watching the video means there's something important I have for you that you actually need. So just kindly take that time to just subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and also leave in the comment section if you have any issues about this video I'm making and part you don't understand. And also you can always drop your favorite video page where you get to meet others that has the same choice as yours and other stuff. So let's proceed. And you can see right here, this is the $50 and I'm still trading it. So the $50 account and it's still running. So let me show you process on how to go about it. So come click on the link I'll be adding to the comment section. There's a link I should pin to the top of the comment section. If you click on it, to take you to the site. And also if you come to the description of this video, you'll see more details about this account right there. So you can see right here, this is Plexi Trade. For those that don't know about Plexi Trade, so I'll be starting afresh on your behalf. So you need to come to the main menu, or instead just click on the link and the link will take you to the section where you actually need to fill in your details. Now you see right here, I already have an account with them. All I just need to do is to log in. But for those who are just registering, clicking on the link will actually bring you to this section right here where you have to fill in your details in total. You can see right here. Make sure you fill in every area that is brought to you. Now see section like this, you fill in the details and then you proceed to personal and address information right here. This is the second step. And the third step is trading account information. Indirectly, they open a demo account on your behalf. So opening the demo account, you can now then proceed. And also, you also need to link the account with an authenticator app. So linking it with an authenticator app is to secure the account and stuff like that. So So once you already have an account with them, you just need to come to this section to log in again. Now, doing this like this, I'm actually going to log in once again, so just to show you the process on how it goes. And you can see mine is linked with an authentication, so I just need to go to the authenticator app, copy the code, come back to this place to paste it, and then click on continue. This continue, by the time I put in the code, the continue will turn on blue. Alright, so you can see I just input the code and I need to just click on continue and wait for it to log me in. Now you can see right there, I've been logged in. You can see just need to wait for it to finish loading, and then we can actually just proceed to the next part. Now the first thing that popped up was trading competition. You can see ready to get trading competition, but I'll be showing you process on how to go about it. So if you click on these 3 lines at the top right here, clicking on the 3 lines, you see other options. Now you can see at the bottom, almost at the bottom, you see competitions. So you click on it. So clicking on competitions right here, you get to see more details about this account. So having all these details, you can see there's a trading titan challenge for July 25, 2025. And you can see the starting date right here. This is July 1, 2025. So every month there's always a competition right here, and you can see the ending date, which is July 31st, 2025. Now I should have made this video at since July 1, but actually didn't actually feel like with the competition. So I feel we don't actually need much crowd. So I'm just making this for those who are actually interested in going into the competition. You get a $50 trading account and you can actually just trade it, get to the top 5 and get your reward. Like so, having details like this, you can see right here. There's a section right here that says enter competition, and if you click on leaderboard, you get to see those who are actually leading. You can see right here. This is the names of those leading right here, and if you click on it, you get to see more information about them. So this is the total number of contestants. You can see it right here, 740. And the price pool, this is the amount they'll be sharing. Let me show the full price. See it right here. That's the rules. The rules, they're just like the terms and conditions for a no deposit bonus. The terms and conditions for a no deposit bonus. So you can see this. If I click on view price, now this is it right here. This is view price. This is the price you'll be doing for the first person. The second person will be getting $2,000. Third person will be getting $1,000, and the fourth person will be getting $500. While the fifth person will be getting $250. Now you can see right here, to join the competition, you just need to click on this right here that says enter competition. Immediately you click on it, you'll be asked to click on this box right here, this small box, to agree on the terms and conditions. And immediately you do that, you login details will be sent to your email. And right here, just need to take the login details to your MT4, MT5, depending on the one you actually choose. So anyone you choose, so you just take it to your MT4, MT5. Now, doing that, you would have the $50 account ready, and you can just start trading like mine right here. So you can just start trading. You can see mine, I'm already trading, and just need to trade to the end of the month and make sure you're among the top 5 to get rewarded. So in case you have any part of the video that you don't understand, just leave in the comment section. I can just share you some details and enlighten you on how to go about it. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and have a nice day. It's Daniel Light.